Okay, it's the 19th of September. What I'm going to do today is actually remove the diff out of the car. First off, we'll be removing the shock absorber bolt. That should allow our diff to sit down on the two stands I've set up. So I've got one on each side, and then we'll remove the trailing arms, and that should drop the diff out. I've disconnected all the brake lines and everything already off the diff, so it should be just a matter of dropping it down on the stand, and we'll get a jack in there and pull it out once it's free. So we'll get started. Okay, so as far as I'm concerned, that's one diff removed. I'm just going to put it on the stands over here for now. See if we can get this done by myself. Okay, so there's our 4 trailing arms, 2 upper and 2 lower, and there's our diff, filthy, dirty diff that will be cleaned up. So bloody dirty under there. Anyway, I think all I'm going to do now is take the remove the shock absorbers. It's just a nut on top of the shock there. Drop that out. I've still got to take out the sway bar mount, which is that thing there. So that'll come out as well. And that might be it for today. So anyway, what I might do is do that, and we'll have a look underneath what's under there. I'll give you an update. After I took the diff out, I've actually removed everything from the back of the car now. Take the rubber bump stops off here. Oops. There's also one attached here. There's rubbers here for the exhaust. They're all gone. Bump stop up there. Shock absorber goes through there. What else have I done? The fuel line is now removed from the car, and yeah, pretty much everything that I can take off back from the doors, or from the doors back, is now off the car. So all we've got to do now is finish off pulling the dash out. And of course eventually we're going to have to undo the body bolts and get the front part of the frame off. And all that wiring down there will have to come out as well. But yeah, it's getting close. I said by the time if anyone doesn't know, I got a redundancy from work, so I said while I was off work I wanted to have the car fully stripped down. There's not much more to go, so at least I'll tick off that goal, I guess. Okay, so today all I really did was tidy up the garage a bit, give me some walking space through here. So I moved the diff, put everything in boxes. Hopefully I kept all the front parts with the front parts and the rear parts with the rear parts. But when you look at how much stuff has come out of this car, it's quite amazing how many little parts. See all in there. Thousands of parts. Now I've got to finish off the tank. I still haven't treated the tank with the bicarb to neutralise the vinegar, so we might do that tomorrow, because I really do have to get that out. And I've got a tank sealant which I'll then pour through the tank, which will seal it up and stop it from rusting again. Alright, I think that's it for today. Thanks.